ingredients that you're gonna need for your cauliflower salad pizza. Of course, our shining star for today is the cauliflower pizza crust by Trader Joe's. You're gonna need a bag of spinach, some Kalamata olives, sun-dried tomatoes, artichoke hearts, olive oil, red onion, some cherry tomatoes, some mini peppers, and salt and pepper. I preheated my oven at 450 to pre-cook the cauliflower pizza crust as the instructions indicated. So for my peppers, I want them a little roasted. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna put them in my toaster oven and roast them up a little bit and get that little skin a little charred before I put it on the pizza. I have a little trick. I actually use my toaster oven for them. I just put it in the toaster oven so that the skin can get a little bit charred, and then I'll chop it up and add it to my other ingredients. And then you can also add, if you want, some Italian seasoning. Any kind of Italian seasoning that you find, you can also add that. You don't have to, but I happen to have it because I picked it up today, so I added that. And then olive oil. I would say like a couple drizzles, maybe like a tablespoon or two. Just heard the oven, it's ready. So I'm gonna add the spinach on top of the crust, then add my veggies on top of that and put it in the oven a little bit more, and then I'll have my pizza and it will be so delicious. Now my pizza is complete and I can't wait to eat it. I'm ready for pizza night.